Hi and welcome to Chemistry 11 with EBUS. This is a short video to introduce the course and cover some important points that you want to know before you get started in the course. Chemistry is literally all around us. We interact with chemistry every day, whether we know it or not. Chemistry is a branch of science that deals with matter on a microscopic level. Looks at what matter is composed of, its properties, and how matter and energy interact. And in Chemistry 11, we're introduced to some fundamental and important topics. Let's take a look at what we will study in this course. There are a total of 9 units of study in Chem 11. The first unit is an introduction to chemistry. It's a short unit that covers lab safety. There's a unit on measurement and density, matter and energy, naming compounds and writing their formulas. We deal with the concept of the mole in Unit 5, chemical reactions, atomic theory, and solution chemistry. Unit 9 is an optional unit on organic chemistry, and you can choose whether you would like to do this unit or not in the course. There are no tests on organic chemistry, and the final exam in the course does not cover Unit 9, organic chemistry. If you look at any unit in the course, the format of each unit is very similar. It starts with some very important vocabulary words that are highlighted for you. You can see underneath that what the main learning goals of this unit are. If you read over this, it tells you what you should be able to do by the time you finish that unit. This is the really important basic ideas of that unit. Under Course Information and Resources, you'll find the course outline. The course outline takes you through much of the important information that I'll cover in this video, and it also breaks down the weighting for the course. You can have a look at how much topic quizzes, assignments, labs, tests, and exams are worth in this course. Under Course Info and Resources, you'll also find some other helpful resources such as how to check your grades, how to see your report card at report card time, and also how to change your course completion date if you need to do that. Labs are a big part of this course. Labs are an important part of science and are necessary to build lab-specific skills. This course contains virtual labs as well as one home lab. The virtual interactive labs help you to make connections between the course material and real-life chemistry. The labs are designed to strengthen your understanding of the important topics in the course. They're also designed to help guide you through writing a full lab report. As you work your way through the course, you'll notice that the labs appear at different points in the course in different units. There are mini labs, which are virtual interactive labs designed to help you understand a topic from that unit, connect it to real-life chemistry, and guide you through a specific part of a lab report. The mini labs are meant to be short, fun labs, and you don't write a full lab report for the mini labs. There are 2 full labs in the course. The first full lab is a virtual interactive lab. And in the virtual interactive lab, you will write a full lab report with support. Later on, you will complete a home lab, and the home lab is designed to be conducted at home. You'll have a choice of several labs, and you should note that all the lab materials for the home labs are common materials, and the lab is safe to perform at home. The idea is that you'll use the lab skills that you've developed throughout the course and apply the topics from this course in a hands-on way through the home labs. Communication in science takes some specific forms. Scientists communicate findings or their results of studies or experiments in a few different ways, but most commonly through scientific journals and through lab reports. Sometimes taking an online science course means that you don't get to participate in hands-on learning or labs. We feel that students miss out when labs are not part of a science course. So we've worked hard to include labs for this reason. And the labs in this course are meant to be meaningful and practical for you to do at home. They're focused on helping build lab skills and helping you to communicate scientifically. The labs are also designed to make chemistry fun and relevant, and the labs are meant to be completed in the unit they reside in. So please don't skip ahead with the intention to come back and do them later. They're also mandatory, meaning that you do need to do them. But have fun with them and remember they're there to help you learn. There's a few resources for Chemistry 11 that you should be aware of. The first one is the textbook. The textbook gets mailed to you when you complete the density assignment in Unit 2, and there's a note in the course to remind you that the textbook will be sent when you get there. There are scanned pages of the textbook in the beginning of the course so that you can read the readings that you're assigned and check your answers to questions until the textbook is mailed to you. There are also data pages. Data pages are provided in the course. You can print them out and use them on all assignments, quizzes, and tests in this course. You will need a scientific calculator for Chemistry 11. The course itself has lessons and videos in the course in addition to the textbook. So there's lots of resources available for you to help you learn the material. Your teacher, of course, is also an important resource for you. There's lots of ways that we can help you. Please contact your teacher if you do need help or you have questions at any point. And it's important to let us know if you are having difficulty. There are tests in Chemistry 11. There are unit tests in the course, which are electronic time tests. All of the tests are closed book. Closed book means that there are no resources allowed except for your data pages and your calculator. You are allowed to have data pages and calculator. There are no electronic devices allowed during a test, including a cell phone, an iPad, or another tablet, and you are asked to stay within the test window at all times. So you cannot open another tab or another window during the test. Your home supervised unit tests can be supervised by a parent, a guardian, or any trusted adult. If you have any questions, you can always contact your teacher. Writing the unit tests will happen when you are ready for them and prepared, and when you have completed all of the assignments or work for that unit. It's important to remember that these tests do have a time limit. The invigilated exams in the course are the midterm exam and the final exam. These exams are invigilated, which means that you must write them in an approved testing, EBUS approved testing facility or with an approved EBUS invigilator. You need to book these exams at least 1 week in advance, and booking your exam is very straightforward and very easy. There are instructions in the course. When you get to an exam, it will tell you that it's an invigilated exam, reminds you to contact your teacher 1 week in advance, and you can simply click on the instructions on how to book your exam. We really believe in teaching individual people. And we know that students take Chemistry 11 for a variety of different reasons online. Some students are applying to a specific post-secondary program that requires this course. Some students take it for interests. Some are taking it as their Science 11 credit. And other students are thinking about careers in science or engineering, nursing, or other fields. And we know that all of you are on your own unique path, so supporting you through this course is important to us. Knowing yourself as a learner is also important. People learn in different ways, but everybody benefits from knowing what works best for themselves. Having strategies in your toolbox for when you're stuck allows you to be an independent learner, and you'll carry these strategies with you in many different contexts, whether it's school, work, or life. So you'll see as you work through this course that we ask you to check in at different times. A check-in is a quick and easy self-assessment that asks you to think about if you're making connections, how you're doing, and where to next. You'll be asked to think about what strategies you're using and which new strategies you might like to try. Whether you have questions, you need help, or you have something to share, there's lots of ways to get in touch with your teacher. Your teacher's contact information is given on the course main page. You can call your teacher, you can email your teacher, you can also send your teacher a message through Moodle, through the online course. We look forward to working with you. We hope your experience in Chemistry 11 is a positive learning experience and that this course is relevant and meaningful for you. Good luck as you get started, and enjoy.